The growth of a bacterial colony was studied over several days in the laboratory. The model n is equal to 500 e to the 0.05 t was given as a model for the growth, where n is the number of bacteria and t the time, in hours from the start of growing the culture. How many bacteria were there initially? Now initially means t is 0. So that's n is equal to 500 e to the 0, and of course e to the 0 is 1, so that's going to be 500. How many bacteria were there after 1 day? So we know the time is in hours, so this would be t is 24. So n is going to be 500 multiplied by e to the 0.05 times 24. And we just need to calculate that. So 500 multiplied by e to the 0.05 times 24, and that gives us 1660 correct to the nearest whole number, and since we're dealing with bacteria, that's a sensible way to actually give the answer. What was the rate of growth of the colony after 12 hours? So rate of growth, we're going to want dn dt. So that's going to be 500 e to the 0.05 t multiplied by the differential of the inside function, which in this case is 0.05. So 500 times 0.05 gives us 25. So that's going to be 25 e to the 0.05 t. And we want dn dt after 12 hours, which means t is 12. So that's going to be 25 e to the 0.05 multiplied by 12. So let's just edit this one back here. So that's going to be 25. And let's change this to 12. And that would be 45.55 bacteria per hour.